How to delete Duolingo account. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Take it simple. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn on how we can delete Duolingo account. So let's get into it. Firstly, open any browser you have and type duolingo.com. Make sure that you are logged in here too. After that, you will be directed to this homepage where you have to tap on more option. Click again on settings. Now you will be appeared to your profile info in your Duolingo application. Now simply scroll down and tap on delete my account button. If you want to access to your personal data, tap on access personal data. If you want to erase all of your data, tap on erase personal data. Now you have to go to your email that is linked to Duolingo application. Now again click on this link and your Duolingo account will be deleted within 7 days. And if you want to get back your Duolingo account, you have got 7 days to recover it. I hope this video was informative. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.